YouTube, what's going on, guys? Check it out. Sweet Pea is alive and well and doing her first rip. Guys, I ripped this thing for like a good 30 minutes today and nothing went wrong. No failures whatsoever. So I'm really proud of this build, guys. Check it out. It's a sweet one. No top speed runs on it yet. Just doing a little thrashing on it, see how it would do, how it would handle. What its flaws are, where it's good and where it's bad. And guys, I was really surprised to see this thing spin the tires like it did. I was really thinking it was going to be a dog and fall on its face, and not have the power it's got. So I'm really happy the way this build turned out. It's not done yet. Obviously, you can see it's got duct tape all over it. I'm going to get a gas tank for it, an actual motorcycle gas tank. Still got a lot of paint stuff to do. But check this out right here, guys. Let's see this thing do a launch real quick. Telling you what a machine. Guys, the TBC 100 is coming. A month from this weekend, we are having the TBC 100. 100 laps around my new short cursor we just put up. Log jumps, tabletops, all that good stuff, man. Whoop-de-doos. You got to do 100 laps. It's got to be a Predator powered engine. That's my only rule. It's got to be Predator powered. Other than that, it's pretty much open. Hopefully gonna have like 10 or 15 bikes out there, but look at Sweet Pea ripping, guys. I tell you what, I even got my grandfather just pulled it. He's over there watching me. He was telling me to spin him. I seen him. You know I had to leave a nice burnout for him. But yeah, guys, I'm definitely looking forward to doing this little endurance race with all the guys. 100 laps is a long time on a mini bike, man. So I think I'm gonna use Sweet Pea to ride. I think I'm gonna let Slim run the big trike, because his go-karts are kind of down right now. So I'm going to try to have one more build ready too. I'm actually starting on a reverse trike now. 2 tires in the front, 1 tire in the back. Definitely, of course, it's Predator powered. You know how we do. Should be a lot of fun. Watch this burn out here, guys. Watch this. Yeah. Oh, man. We're calling it the Sweet Pea rocket now, guys. That thing is like a rocket. I tell you what a little ripper. As you can see, I have a GoPro on my head there in this video. I was gonna put that GoPro footage with this, but I just can't get it on this phone for some reason. So I'm gonna upload that next. So be looking forward to that, guys. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit that bell on, guys. You're gonna see what we got coming. I promise you. We got Go-Karts are Gone Fishing is gonna be coming back to do that race with us. Def Dug Racing is gonna be probably coming too. A couple other my buddies gonna be out there. I'm gonna do it on YouTube live off StreamYard. So that should be sick in itself, man. We should have a blast out there. Hope you guys definitely check it out. Where'd I go? I went way down, huh? Alright, I'm back. A little slide. This thing really likes to flip over, man. Like I said, this was just a thrashing just to see what it would do, if it would hold up. And man, the thing's still riding, guys. I can't believe it. This is definitely my first build that nothing has broke on my test ride, so that's freaking awesome. Look at this 2-wheel motion. Yeah, buddy. You know it. I ride 2 wheels all day, guys. It ain't nothing. Why don't you try to get on it and slide on 2 wheels? Where they do that at? Ain't never rode this trike before in my life. Wow, they got on 2 wheels on a test ride. That's how we do it at Tampa Boys Cousin, guys. We don't baby them, as you can see. Ride them hard all day, put them up wet every day. See it, Sweet Pea is a ripping. I'll get some top speed runs on it and stuff as soon as I make sure everything's straight on it and it's going to be able to hold top speed run. I've had it wide open a couple times. It's not very fast yet. Probably does 35, maybe 40, I guess, but we'll see. It's nothing like that Coleman my little brother's building. Guys, we got some parts coming for it too, guys. It's going to be a full stage 3 build. Really look forward to those videos, man. That thing's going to be wicked. I got so close to my camera right there. Yeah, my little brother just ordered the cam. I think he's going to order a rod and a piston too. So it'll be a full stage 3. Then we already got the flywheel, the springs. Thinking about doing one of those ported heads too from Paul's Karts. You guys definitely check out Paul's Kart, man. He built some sick 420 heads, 301 heads, 212 heads. He does them all, man. And he does some serious porting and polishing on them. They are sick. Like I said, guys, this is a quick little clip, man. Like a little 5-minute long video or something like that. Just me ripping a little bit on Sweet Pea. Just, you know, putting her through her paces. You know how we do. Got to make sure she's going to hold up. Let's see it, guys. I think that's going to be it for this one. I do a little walk around on it. Appreciate all you guys watching, man. Thanks for all the support. All you guys rock in the comments, dude. Y'all are freaking amazing. You see, I got the shock just laying on there. I got some pipe welding there, made it rigid for now. Guys, thanks so much to all you guys, man. Rock on. I wish all you guys can come out and ride with us, dude. It'd be a blast. Check Sweet Pea out. Ain't she a beaut? Telling you what, them dang love bugs need to go away. I know that much. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys. Catch you on the next one, man. You know what to do.
I love the torque converter.
TBC out. Yeah, buddy. See ya.